Working throughout Cambridgeshire, Garage Door Wizards are your local garage door experts. Our services include garage door repairs, new doors, and automations. We're specialists in the supply and installation of all types of garage door, including up and over doors, roller doors, sectional doors, and side opening doors. We are Horman, Garador and Gliderol brand specialists. Guaranteed to beat any like-for-like quotation on new garage doors. No call-out charge, and we have a strict no-fix, no-fee service. We love our work and pride ourselves on the highest standard of service. Visit our website to find out more.